kum ka jingpynkhreh lada cha bawan ka jingkhih jumai pachur ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA jong ka East Jantil District minta kasi kala pelong ya ka mock drill ha ki babon ki jaka bat ha ki shnang ha po ka district bala shim pintalang da baro ki tnad sorkar ki company dobilan ki beran ha po ka district kumju ru ki bor penya shnang ba kynthup ki wahe shnang bat ki dekat shnang kani ka mock drill kalong ha po ka jingpynkhreh Deputy Commissioner Ubadeiru Chairman jong ka District Disaster Management Authority East Jantil District Ushivan Awasti IAS. La zang ya kani ka mock drill na office Deputy Commissioner na khlieh bat hamadan dikhia East bat dikhia West bat labo kum ki staging area ya ki benta jong ka mock drill la le a civil hospital khlieh ha I India Mart ha dikhia service station ha company mag cement ha nongsynshar ha lumshnang ha kuliang ha ying ki riew ha lat sutanga bat ha ki we ki jaka.
So today, as the part of a state level mock drill on earthquake, mock drill was conducted in East Jantia Hills also, and we have deployed our teams in various spots so that we can simulate the actual earthquake and also the rescue and relief operations. So we are doing the locality and residential area in Dakia East and West. So the incident commander is already there. Relief camp is also set up there. And in the Dakia secondary school also the mock drill is being conducted. Similarly, in other locations also in the district like Khlieh Civil Hospital also we are doing the mock drill today. Also we are, because the once the earthquake strikes, there are other hazards also like landslides. So landslides also the simulation is being done at Kuliang. So all the line departments who have different roles in it, be it National Highway Authority of India, the medical department for any medical aid, the police and fire and emergency department for any aid and relief are being activated, and they are doing their work. So the mock drill started today at around 9:30 a.m. and initially we received the reports from block development officers regarding the damage that has been done to various roads and also to the bridges, and also there are issues related to traffic. So all those things which can actually occur during an earthquake are taken into consideration, and accordingly response and relief measures are being taken. So also other than the government departments, in order to involve the community into rescue and relief operation, we already had a meeting with headmen where we informed them about this mock drill exercise, and we also requested their active participation in it. So from the Dakia, Dakia village, they have also provided some community volunteers which are also part of the rescue and relief operations along with the civil defense and other volunteers that are there. so that this exercise, we wanted to make it a holistic exercise where not just the government departments are involved, but the local community is also involved, and they are also aware of what steps they need to take in case actual earthquake strikes.